Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by either pressing the button or tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you will see a bunch of icons. You can scroll through the pages and look for the battery icon with the leaf on it. This is the power saving mode icon or battery saver icon. And once you find it and you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. You will see the message power saving. The icon will get highlighted, it will get the white background, and it will appear right here at the top of the menu. If you go back to watch face, it will also appear right here at the watch face, at the top of the watch face. It all indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see again message power saving. The icon will go back to gray color. It will disappear from here and also from the watch face, which of course indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also open the settings by pressing and holding on this icon. It will direct you to the power saving settings, and here you can turn on or off the mode by tapping on the switch like that. You have the description what the mode does. As you can see, it lists the things it will change, but you can also turn on or off the option to limit the health features during the power saving mode. And I believe you have one more option that could interest you, which is watch only. So basically this is like extreme power saving mode. It will give you only the time, I believe, and date and steps maybe, and it will save a lot more power in the process. So if you want to save the power a lot more, I don't know, maybe you want your watch to survive till you get home or something like that, you can tap on watch only. It should give you estimated battery life, but I think you need to use your watch a bit more for that. And once you decide to turn it on, tap on turn on button. It will switch to the watch only mode. And here we have it. That's how it looks like. You won't have access to anything else, only to time, which will save a lot more power, and hopefully it will help you keep your watch alive until you get to the charger. And to disable this mode, we need to press and hold either the upper button or the middle button. I'm gonna try the upper button first. Nothing happens. Oh no, okay. So it was upper button. So you need to keep holding it. Then you can release it. After a few seconds, you will see the Samsung logo on the screen, and then wait until the watch is done booting up. Basically, it reboots the watch into a normal mode. And here we have it. That's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.